Good morning, fellas. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another great video. Today we are in Seattle, downtown Seattle. Look. Anyway, I have a special guest today. It's Mommy. Mommy, what's up, Cruz? Yeah, what up, Cruz? Never downtown. We're at the market. Look. Should we cross? Okay. Crossing the shuttle. We're at the marketplace, Pike's place. Should we go downstairs? So what are you? I'm hungry though. Okay, let's go downstairs. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs. Oh, this place is nice. Oh, look, this is good. Alright, let's go down there and we'll see. It's pretty quiet in here. Wow. Oh, look. Look at the cabin.
It's for Lamukan.
Yes, for Panamukan. I don't like that fly. We're gonna eat breakfast, but it's not breakfast, it's lunch. Hard, heavy breakfast. Nice day today, guys. Beautiful sunny day here in Washington. You know what? Oh, never mind. Kalau turun kartu day kalau kartu tiket. This is what day 3 of the vacation. Ibig sinurot ko siya taga sinurot na plan yung vacation. Day kartu tiket. Pike Market. Yeah. Pike Market. So next time Atpi. Atpi, no more next time.
They have to. And it's your fault. Okay.
People put your point here, Captain, and Cupid. 4, oh, 16 something. You are for Buddy and Rebel. No, we'll just get to it. I thought it was, I'm talking about like 2 like big ones. Yeah, Cupid. We're gonna pray. Okay, let's try.
You can get some from
Food and beverage, I would like hot tea. You have jasmine tea.
Yes.
And I would like ginger tea.
And the rice?
Not really good.
Kịp cho rồi, kịp cho rồi. Người trước khác ngủ đây là ngủ đây.
Okay, wala pa yung akbiya.
Saya? Dia bawa ke siapa?
저거 버리었네. 자꾸 Chinese-ness show. Okay. We'll see you guys later. We're gonna eat.
Or you want to get your coffee first?
I can get the coffee after. See? Oh, nice, nice. Oh, what a great view. Yeah, oh. Okay, let's see. We're still on a hunt, trying to look for the Pike Starbucks, or the Starbucks where it all started. It's a great view though. What a spectacular view. Alright, this is downtown Seattle. Pike Market. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Look guys, if you guys watch our last video, we actually went down on that side.
Yes, I cannot look down. It's already messy.
What else do you need to build, guys? You already have a nice place over here. Down. Not a great view. Down. It's moving. Hey guys, this is the Pike's Market. Goes all the way down that side.
Yeah, we do. It's very healthy.
And there's a lot of people going around. We're still on a hunt looking for the Starbucks. I'm not even sure where it is or where it's at. This place is packed. This is a crowd to Chuukese tower. Okay. Did you find it? Huh?
Like just backwards? Yeah. I honestly.
Where? Seriously. We have been looking for this place and we didn't even realize it's literally just right next to where we were standing. And once upon a time, wait, no, we have to. Let's go. Starbucks, that's where it all began. Maybe, I hope so. Alright, let's go. Let's go look. Alright, we're gonna go try to get in line and see if we can get in. We're getting close, guys. Mommy is excited, even though she doesn't drink coffee. I am excited too. We got lines going on right here. And then we got people in the back. Yes.
Oh, she gave you the rundown, huh?
Oh, she gave you the rundown. Not completely. Hi. I'm great. How are you? Great. Where are you from? Oh, welcome. Welcome. How are things going? So everyone in LA is keeping the job.
We're still waiting in line. We're almost there.
It's in the air, alright.
Kesakatori kakapasis ngiri. Is this the first place?
I mean, let me take a video and then you do that.
Okay.
I don't know all of the results right now. For the most part, the election day. And those
Take a picture ID. Go over there.
Hindi po yung camera na iPhone po ito turko. Mira to po po.
gridlock and nothing will get done. That sounds like unusual. Yes, gridlock.
Take it off. Go with the makeup.
Sila na mo rin na.
I already did.
Apan day lang.
What's it?
How many?
Oh my god.
What? I want all 5.
Okay, you guys have
Alright. Yeah, here. Here.
follow this direction. Keep doing.
Alright.
So for us, the line is only on the right side, okay? On the left is where you wait for your drinks when you're done, and everything on the wall is decoration, except this gold stuff. You can take the gold stuff from the wall, but if it says the first store or it's brown, it stays on there. Okay, point of the picture is a counter, and I can show you a sample, and that's where you get everything you need, okay? Okay, have fun. Oh, here, you can come here. It's warmer here.
Alright. Is it okay if I'm taking my video?
Huh?
Is it okay if I'm doing my video?
I mean, as long as you don't get the baristas too much, okay?
No, that's fine, that's fine. Alright, so guys, this is the... Just give me my regular, usual.
Ano ka na rasa dito ko niya ngayon? Grabe. We have to pay for it?
Net ik meer video.
Happy prayer. Ewe ka nung sini.
Even.
I thought he said you can say for it.
Oh wait. I don't know.
You say that?
I'm gonna go. Look. Nice.
Yeah, we only have 8 reserved groceries in the world, so they and the reservers now, they have their own compliment
So this is the place, guys. First Starbucks ever. This is where it all began. What? Which one? Let me see. Sorry. This one is good.
Okay.
You don't give a discount to first-time customers? Nah, I'm kidding.
Unfortunately.
I'm kidding.
Alright, so it's just the caramel macchiato in the mug. Anything else? And what's a good name?
Lily.
Lily?
1971. Where did you get that 1912?
And that's the address.
Huh?
That's this.
No, it all started in 1971. Arpi. It didn't start in Kansas. It started in Washington. This is where it all began. My dream to build a company that fosters respect and dignity to create a place where we can all come together over a cup of coffee. I agree. Thank you. got her coffee.
Gold stuff, if it has brown or if it's just the first door, it stays in the wall. Send for pictures. I will get it for you.
Thank you. What? What? Oh. Yeah. See? That's the line. Look. That place is packed. Alright, where do we go? So mommy has her coffee and her coffee mug. Where do we go? Back to the market. Okay. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Have you seen like the red one, the purple one? This one's way sweeter.
But the real market. Produce market. Oh. Thanks for the
Varié breakfast.
That's like £2.
That's for you. Yes.
I think that's the place. Yeah. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
That's the place where they grow the fruit. Yep. That's the hard part. Guys, this is the place where they throw the fish.
That's so cool.
Mira, ito ko couch. Look at this beautiful fish. This is where they throw the fish. If a customer buys a fish, they'll just throw it in and start cleaning.
That's why I call it
What are you having? Display. Oh wow, it's going down here too?
We ship this overnight anywhere in the USA.
We ship fish overnight anywhere in the US. Huh?
See your recovery.
Yeah. Oh.
These are real leather.
Yeah, those are all leather except for these guys are not.
Look at this belt. What's this place? Yeah, I just want to see. Oh, need that if I chicken. Let's see if it's gonna throw. Let's see if it's gonna throw. Let's see if it's gonna throw.
Three black guys. Three black guys. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
All right, we found a new friend. Fiji, Lily, come here so I can take a picture of you. Come here so I can take a picture of you. Come on.
Put money in there and stuff.
Take a picture of by the ocean.
This place is packed.
Oh, that's the gum wall.
Where? Okay, you want to go down and okay, we're gonna go take a look at something. All right, watch your step now. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh, you have people. Hey. Chuukese wall. You know what this is? If I done again? Gum wall. Oh, oh, is that what they're supposed to be? Oh wow. Hold this. Wow. Yeah, coffee table putavi. This is where it began. Kasukura. Hey, pero rapat. Wah, arpi kapon misaute apat. Evi bepansi. Ami siri po evi kasumo apat. Karafira pilo. He's always have to chew gum. Yeah. Evi karapat karafira pilo. Tei gawa apat teki. Arpi bepansi po kasumo apat. Oh, panlor. Error. Segura. Sarà pazzeria che gum wall. Disgusting. Stay there so I can take a picture of you. It's a thumbnail.
No, not with the blood.
Half of it?
Let's put the pictures of curious at
Put it. Mira. Did you? What is this? What's this place? Oh, it's kind of scary, but. Oh, this is very scary. Yeah. Very scary. Look. Oh, they're doing. Smells like something bad. Huh? Where? Where? Okay. We're going back home. I want to work. I have a kitchen up here. I put it to cruise with the father. I put it off with the appointment. Give me gun or someone. So Mommy and Daddy are coming back, guys. Where did we park? Huh? Oh, okay. But those so crowded. Look, crowded. Really like a shell. I didn't want crowded. Never a Waikiki. Yeah, one no Waikiki. Should we go? Yes.
Yeah, excuse me, Barbara.
There's another Starbucks.
Where?
Another Starbucks.
Listen. Another Starbucks just right across the Starbucks. Oh, I feel material aqui. Arroz. There's one Starbucks over there. All right, let's go. Starbucks. Got it. Starbucks fun done.
I mean, I guess it is.
Where? Huh? We parked over there? Yep. Oh. Okay. Maratsa kirsori kot pa. Kirsori kot pa mitori. Yo here. I brought Cairo coffee. And then now we're going back. I hope you guys enjoyed a short clip of where disgusting. That's oof. Anyway, Marasan, sa parkour ferry carrier. Okay, what is this? Oh. Okay. Yeah, put it on. We'll see you guys.